Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today it's all about the Canon EOS R6. I want to talk about why should you buy the Canon EOS R6 instead of the other brand like Canon EOS RP or the R. To those of you who don't know, my name is Bester and I am a videographer, photographer here in United Arab Emirates, Dubai. If you ever here in Dubai, let me know, comment down below, hit me up. Let's do collaboration. It's gonna be fun and amazing. So you're out there, you have most probably an RP or a DR, and you're trying to decide which should you upgrade your camera into the next level, which is the R5 or the R6, the one that I'm filming on right now. This is the R6. I've been using it for the past 2 years and it's just amazing. It's super duper amazing. Especially if you have all the F lenses, they're just gonna work with the help of the EF to RF adapter. Right now I'm filming with 16 to 35 f4 image stabilize, and this is at 16mm 35mm. Look how fast the autofocus is. Right now it's focused on my eye, switches from left to right and then to the face. I want to let's zoom out a little bit. So this is a 16mm, everything is in auto. I just left it in auto. When I'm talking to the camera like this, it's auto. So why should you buy the Canon EOS R6? If you have the RP and you are starting to, you know, like you're feeling a little bit left out when it comes to video. You have 4K crop in the EOS RP and the R. Autofocus on both of those cameras are amazing. Then suddenly you wake up in the morning and damn, I just want to shoot 4K, right? So then that's the reason why I want to choose the Canon EOS R6. Or if you're having a lot of client already and you want to change and you want an additional camera body in your camera bag, then I recommend you to buy the Canon EOS R6 and make it as your main camera body. The point is, you should buy the Canon EOS R6, okay? Autofocus is on spot. Right now, everything is in autofocus and it never left my eye, you see? Just changes from left to right, that's amazing. And if you're doing a product reveal, let's see, focus on the subject, back to my eye, it's just super amazing. The autofocus, can't complain. Canon is a king when it comes to autofocus. Now the battery life. Battery life in this camera is amazing, especially when you're using the original battery. Lasted me for, I really don't know, because I have like five batteries. 3 of them are, no, I have 6 batteries. 4 of them are third party, 2 of them are Canon original. This is just 3-in-1 coffee. Battery life, I shot a wedding using this camera, 4K all the way till the end of that wedding, and I think I used like 3 batteries. You see, 3 batteries, 4K all throughout the day. That gets me to the next point, which is the overheating and the recording limit of this camera. When I say recording limit, it is limited to 30 minutes. So if you are out there trying to find a camera that records unlimited, then I recommend you the Sony A7 IV. But in my experience, when I was using this camera and then I have to cut every 30 minutes, it's annoying to me and to my client, really unprofessional, because I have to cut every half an hour. That's a, you know, like, oh, this guy's not professional. Well, what the hell is he doing cutting every 30 minutes? Maybe there's something wrong with his camera. That's the impression at the back of my mind. But yeah, you have that recording limit, and when you shoot at 4K half an hour, here in UAE, the weather is, during summer, it's just, okay, it's gonna overheat. To the people out there who doesn't experience overheat using their Canon EOS R6, amazing, okay? I believe you, your camera is amazing, but it overheats here in United Arab Emirates. Let's talk about 4K. This camera shoots at 4K 24p, 30p, and 60p, no crop. So right now I'm shooting at full HD with image stabilization on in the middle. And if I turn that off, it's gonna look like this. The image stabilization off in camera, right? There's just a tad crop. Now you can see this right here. This is my softbox. Now you can see that. This camera body is image. It has the 5-axis in-body image stabilization. So if you pair it with the RF glasses, it's gonna be buttery smooth, super duper amazing. If you're into that handheld shot and all that stuff, which I did most of the time when I was shooting ads, it's all handheld like that. I'm not doing like this, right? Handheld, in-body image stabilization, plus the RF native lenses, they are stabilized as well. So it's gonna be amazing. So you can shoot everything in handheld, even when you're vlogging. Next thing is the screen. The touch screen of this Canon EOS R6 is amazing. It's like really intuitive. It's fast and easy. There's no need of you to go to the menu. Everything is in front of you. So right now everything is in front of me. I'm recording at recording my shutter speed, my aperture, my EV, my ISO. Everything is right in the screen, and it even shows me where the eye is out of focusing. Amazing. Canon, thumbs up. These are all the reasons why you want to buy the Canon EOS R6. Okay, if you're into video, go for it. If you're into photo, yes, please, by all means, use this camera. It's really fast. Eye autofocus always nails it. I love this camera. I love the Canon system. Oh, the only downside that I can think of is the money. I don't have the money to buy all the lenses, especially the 28-70 f2. If I have that lens, it's gonna be in this camera for the rest of its life. The problem is I don't have that money to buy that expensive lens. Yeah, that's one downside. The RF glasses are really expensive. That's the only downside. If you have all the money, then it's not a downside. You can buy all those lenses and be happy. I hope this video helps you decide which camera you should buy the next. If it's the Sony, I hope I help you decide if you want to buy the Canon EOS R6. If I did, just leave a comment down below, say thank you, or subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. No, really. This camera is the best for video and photo, period. That's been it. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you